Hello everyone, welcome to this ballet bar. My name is Kyle DuPree and I will be your instructor for today. For today's class, we're gonna keep it super simple at the bar. We're gonna start by warming up the feet, the ankles, calves, and then we're gonna take it into the bar. Yeah, get into some choreography, some pliés, things of that nature. And don't worry, I'll be guiding you through step by step. For today's class, we can go ahead and get started facing the bar. Nice, allow the big toes to touch here. Let the ankles touch as well. And really think about pulling up in the kneecaps to let the legs be active. Nice, think about sending the tailbone down in the back body to really focus on your core. Remember, belly button to spine. And relax the shoulders down away from the ears, nice. Let the fingertips rest on the bar here, really keeping the arms nice and light. Take a deep inhale through the nostrils. Exhale, release, relax the shoulders down away from the ears. Nice, from here, let's start to work through the feet, keeping it really simple. Just pedaling through the feet right and left here, starting with the right ankle up, then rolling through the right foot, allowing the left ankle to lift. Good, taking a few of these here. You may hear some cracks or whatnot happening in the ankle. It's all good, we're just warming it up. Continue to breathe here. Remember, keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed. And when you allow the ankles to come down to the floor, really press through the ankles so that you're stretching the back of the leg. Nice, staying here for 8 more counts. 7, 6, 5. Good, keep pulling up. 4, sending energy up to the ceiling for 3. Nice, 2. And 1, good, allow both feet to relax down here. Good, from here, taking a simple tendu with the right foot, allow it to come out in front of you. And then from here, simply flexing the foot, begin to take small circles with the ankle. Nice, keep pulling up in the left side body. Maybe you start to reverse the circles here. Feeling some blood flow coming into the ankles. Nice, from here, start to elongate through the foot, really pointing it forward. When you're ready, allow that foot to come back down towards the left. Good, other side, tenduing forward on the left foot. Keep the feet parallel. When you're ready, flex the foot and then begin to take small circles with the ankle. Just warming up here, yeah, nothing too serious. Nice, continue to breathe. Good, when you're ready, elongate through the leg, really point through the top of the foot. When you're ready, allow that left foot to come down towards the right. Nice, keep focusing on the ankles here. On your next inhale, start to come to the tops of the toes. Nice, remember, sending energy up through the crown of the head. From here, when you're ready, start to come into forced arch, bending in the knees here, staying up on the toes. Good, getting a nice deep stretch on the bottoms of the feet. When you're ready, allow the ankles to relax down. Good, keeping the shoulders in line with the hips. From here, lengthen out through the legs. Good, let's reverse that. Taking a bend in the knees, plie. From here, rolling up into your forced arch. Good, from here, coming all the way up into releve. And then lowering the heels down. Nice, reversing it again. Inhale up. Exhale, forced arch. Nice, lowering the ankles down. Lengthening up, again, bending into the knees. Forced arch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Let's take it a little bit in 1 count, a little bit faster, yeah? From here, on an inhale, coming up to the feet, nice. Forced arch, just making it 1 motion, rolling through the feet. Plie, forced arch, lengthen, and down again. Lengthen, forced arch. Plie, and down 2 more times, plie. Nice, lengthen. 1 more time, plie. Down and lengthen through the ankles. Good, nice. From here, shake out the legs. Hopefully the ankles are feeling a little bit more warm. From here, we're gonna take a simple roll down, just focusing on the back body, getting it nice and warm, yeah? When you're ready, start to roll down from the crown of the head, tucking the chin in towards the chest. Really allow the weight of the head to do a lot of the work here. Take your time, working through every vertebrae in the spine. Nice. Once you reach the bottom, then begin to bend into the left knee, bend into the right knee, and really relax the crown of the head as you open up the hamstrings in the back body. Good. Continue to breathe here. Nice. From here, start to find a moment of stillness. Really lengthen up through both the front and the back of the knee. Good. From here, take a bend in both knees. Think about grounding down through the feet, then roll up through the back body. Take your time. Nice. When you reach the top, inhale the shoulders up by the ears, and as you exhale, let them drip down the back body.